Hello everyone, welcome back to Umbrella Entertainment and Studios. If you are planning to indulge in a world-class luxury experience, while spending magical moments, the water-admiring blue ocean, then book a lavish cruise with superlative amenities. There are massive cruise ships offering impeccable services that attract travel enthusiasts around the year. Start saving now, to enjoy the most luxurious voyages with the most expensive cruises in the world. Star Cruises Pisces. The Star Cruises Pisces is an Oasis-class cruise ship operated by Royal Caribbean International. Launched in November 2009, it's the largest passenger ship in the world with a manufacturing cost of $1.5 billion. The 1,999 feet long ship can accommodate 7,890 guests and 3,000 crew members. It features a 2-deck dance hall, an ice skating rink and multiple restaurants. Tickets start from $249 per person.